In this video, I will show you how to add product design filter on the sidebar rolled on. So let's get started. Or to do that, head over in here to your theme store and then click on this customize right here for done. So as you can see, done is my current theme. So what we can do in order to actually add sidebar for that is head over in here on your homepage, head over to our collections, click on the default collections right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see a new page. Now we have here a product grid, so click on that. And as you can see, we have here the product grids that we have, as well as a product card, and all these things right here. So what we can do is we can actually head over and sort this out. In order to sort this out, you can choose the desktop filter layout. As of right now, it is actually horizontal. Now when you click on this vertical right here, it will change. And as you can see, we have now this sidebar filter that we can choose and we can use from this one. After that, click on save right here in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.